I fucking I caught some of that pre-market move. That's why I'm a little late. And I caught some trades overnight with gold. I'm up, but I don't know what it is, dude. We just keep having these like crazy overnight moves, and then pre-market moves are nuts. Like we had it yesterday, and then we had it today. I'm like trying to write my daily outlook on what I'm expecting for today, and then prices like dumping. As I'm writing it, it dumped like another 100 points. I had to just stop writing it and just fucking follow the momentum. But the good news is that I can now pull a payout on this account. Fuck, I needed that one, dude. So I'll pull 2,700 out of it at the end of the day today, but yeah, that shit was fucking brutal, bro. That consistency roll on that shit is fucking ass. Dude, but gold's been moving. I might get back on my gold grind, honestly. I'm 6'2", Panama. I'm tall and skinny. Bro, I'm not gonna lie though. 5 feet, you're trying to rage bait. That's crazy. Bro, Ikigai. The same thing happened yesterday that happened today. Crazy pre-market move. And we have FOMC today. I would not be surprised if we literally just chop. If we start whiplashing and consolidating like all morning. I know, it's crazy. The good news is that I was actually awake to catch some of it. So I'm gonna be I caught some of it on this account. So I'm up on this account. And then this account I'm up on it too. This one is I can't trade this anymore. I gotta pull a payout on this. But we can focus on this account a little bit. Dude, gold's been dumping all morning too. Bro, but you know what is pissing me off though is like, so check this out, right? I have higher time frame levels. Like this is a higher time frame level that I've had here since probably somewhere like Monday, right? And so I'm waiting for price to get up here so I can see whether or not I'm trying to short basically. But these levels keep hitting while I'm sleeping. Like, am I just supposed to start pressing limit orders? But it's like the idea with these levels that I have is simple. I'm waiting for price to get up into these so that I can actually make a decision if I think we're going to continue or reject from it. And then it's just like, bruh. I woke up this morning, saw that we tapped into that level, and then just dumped. And it's just like, bruh. I'm sleeping during that time. Yo, we're running Panama. We're running duos on that. That's crazy. We're running duos. That's nuts. Screenshotting this before I mess it up. Putting it in the oh shit, do I have a call today? Let's see. Gucci. Liquidated everyone? That's crazy. So yeah, I mean, when my levels keep hitting and then keep causing, like, we keep having massive moves pre-market and overnight, like, what am I supposed to do, bro? Like, it just leaves New York with, like, this, like, leaves New York with some bullshit. Hold on 1 second. Let me move this shit. I'm back. Hey, were you curious? Were you curious, Panama? Did you click it? Did it make you click? You're like, why is this guy looking at the camera? And what does it mean? What am I supposed to watch? Did it make you curious enough to click on it? As many as I could. Why, did you get hit with a bunch of ads? Yeah. I don't know how many ads are on there. Whenever you post a video on YouTube, you just like let them know whether or not you just let them know whether or not you want ads on it or not. And I'm just like, yeah, put some ads on it. And so I don't know how many they put on it. They might put a lot. But yeah, to be honest though, like, I think I'm gonna start focusing on gold again for Asia session, cause New York AM on NQ is just trying to rage bait me. Like, what type of shit is this, bro? Like, actually, like, what the fuck? Look, I mark out this high. I mark out a level I'm looking for rejection. We're just fucking around all morning. Asia and London run to it and then dump before New York even opens. Brother, how am I supposed to trade that? I'm sleeping. Now we just gotta deal with this, like, shitty ass PA in the morning. How do I trade gold? Well, it's a very specific strategy. It's the way I trade gold is very specific. It's like, I'll look at the chart and then, like, I know this sounds crazy, but I'll look at the chart, Panama, and then if I think it's gonna go down, I'll sell it. And then if I think it's gonna go up, I'll buy it. Toolless. On the left, it's ATAS. It's an order flow platform called ATAS. Yeah, I call that one the buy and sell strategy. Yeah. And if you want to learn that strat, Panama, you can buy my course. What up, Joey? No, I trade gold the same way. I trade gold the same way. it just moves a little different than NQ. The auction is the auction, but at the end of the day, it does have like slight micro behaviors that are different than NQ. Same way that ES has it over NQ and silver has it over gold. They're all like slightly different, but the idea is kind of the same. The idea is the same. Yeah, it helps. It definitely helps. Yeah, and you gotta just make sure you're sizing properly. Last night it was kind of choppy. I kept trying to short it. So look, like last night on gold, this is gold by the way. We've been stuck in this range literally all fucking week. Okay, this is Sunday open. We've been stuck in this range all week. Once we started coming down over here during Asia, I'm trying to sell it for a breakdown. But as we approach like down here, I kept moving to break even because we're in a range, you know, like it can just snap back. So I caught a little bit of this. I caught a little bit of it here. I caught a little bit of it here. And then that put me up like $800 on this account. And then I went to sleep. And then of course, what happens when I go to sleep? This shit just fucking melts. So then this morning, right as this candle was pushing down, I just entered into the momentum of it. Because I was imagining that if we are going to go lower, well, where are we going to go? We're going to go take this low. So I entered in like 5 micros, made another 300 or 400 bucks. And then that's why this account is where it's at right now. And then on NQ, we're like right around here as I'm writing out my morning outlook. And then I'm like, man, this shit's just gonna dump. And then we're gonna just dead ass fucking chop during New York. So then I stopped writing my outlook for a second. And then I shorted it right here. And I just scalped it really quick. And that was on this account. I made like 600 or 700 bucks, and then when this came down here and this 5-minute printed, I went long for a second. I just got out for like a quick 25 points. So now we're up 1,000 on both accounts. Before I started the stream, before market open, my bad. But it's like, dude, what am I supposed to do? Like, I'm kind of imagining that we might rebalance some of this, but I do not think we are coming all the way back to high a day. There's no fucking way. Until at least during the AM session, there's no way. Past this high, I don't think so. I think we either potentially chop or drop, take this or this, and then chop, or we just go up, come down, chop until FOMC. So the market's about to open. I'm gonna be real with you guys. Like, I'm probably gonna be pretty passive. I'm already up. I caught some of the move down on gold, caught some of the move down on NQ. If I wasn't streaming and I wasn't like doing this stuff, I would probably be back to I'd probably be doing something else, honestly. I'm only here for you guys. I'm just here just in case. Just in case something happens. But technically, I already made my profits for the day. And I can't really trade this account anymore anyways. Because, I'm gonna pull 2,700 bucks out of it later, so I don't want to fuck that up. So actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to lock out of this. Wait, let me just... I need to make sure. Hold on. Is this gonna make another leg down? Nah, we're not falling for it. I'm not falling for it. You're not gonna get me this time, NQ. Alright, we're good. Yeah, I'm locking out of that shit. Is it gonna make another leg down? It's trying to catch me. It's trying to get me. Alright. So we locked out of this account. We're gonna take a $2,700 payout from it later tonight. And we're gonna sit here and we're going to see if anything is interesting. But I'm gonna use smaller size. If I lose one trade, if I decide to take a trade and I lose one trade, I'm done. Because I need to build this balance up too, because I need to take a payout on this one after I build it up. It's at this is only the second day on this account actually, so we still got time. The second winning day at least. So, if I can pull... Dude, I started this month so down bad, bro. I blew all those accounts. I fucking fumbled those payouts. I fumbled another payout. Spent a bunch of money on evals. I need to pull the 2,700 out, and then I need a payout from this account before the month ends. And then I think I'll be back in the green for the month. Well, I will be back in the green for the month. So if this is gonna come up, I want to see how deep is it really gonna dig back into the pre-market move, because probably be expecting it to come back towards 25,000. Maybe, yeah, like maybe somewhere, if it's gonna come up before it turns around again or before it starts chopping, probably like around here. We got a lot of orders sitting right here. I haven't seen the funded next offer. What's so goated about it? Oh, buy one. The BOGOs. Buy one, get one free. I don't think I've ever used funded next, but I heard they're pretty good. Oh. Well, it's not very convincing to buy an account then. So the second 5 minute candle at New York Open, which keep in mind on a normal day is usually around like 40,000, 45,000 micro contracts traded on it on MNQ, just closed with 27,000 volume. The first, usually the first candle too is usually like maybe 50,000. On bigger opens, sometimes it's like 60,000. So this is 39, 27. It's kind of giving me the idea that we're about to be on some bullshit for like the AM session. Unless we just start like picking up speed and volume. I want to see how this 5 minutes gonna close, and whether or not we're gonna take these orders right here. Sitting at 25,000. I might try and short it, just not even necessarily to make another low, but just to come back into this and start causing a mess. Unless it just happens right now before I get a chance to do it. Well, shit, there goes that idea. We're like, when I said I was watching this area, if we were gonna dig deeper into it, I just wanted to see us potentially take those orders at 25,000 first, and then I was gonna try and just like scalp a short, but now it's like kind of, I mean, that already moved like 50 points from where I was thinking about. Yeah. Just hesitated on it. And also, just so you guys know, like right above this area, like basically right where 25,000 is also where 603 on QQQ is, which I'm watching for today. Which is this right here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter into 5 micros, and then on the shorts, and then we'll risk I need to give it some room in case it snaps. We'll risk like 300 bucks. And then I just want to see it kind of snap back into this range, maybe back in the same area where this candle came to, so. Although I just want to see if I need this to get taken first, but I hope it doesn't snap through it. But if it does, whatever. A 5-minute was looking good for a second on how it was going to close. Pretty weak. Oh, hopefully it still goes down there. If it closes kind of strong, though, we'll probably take 25,000. The order's at 25,000, and then maybe hit my stop loss. I'm hoping that it doesn't, though. I would like to see this 5-minute close further down, but I'm going to move my stop to break even. And we'll just see if it could ride down for us to make like 600 bucks. If we start getting pressure lower, I'll actually trail my stop, but if not, I'll just leave it where it is, and then if it wants to just do a slow grind up, then I'll just sit out of it. But I want to see if we're going to start coming back and creating some bullshit down here. after it dug into the move down a little bit from pre-market. Alright, I'm gonna trail my stop right above the open of that 5 minute just to lock in 170 bucks. I need the 15 to basically flip and come back. I'm gonna take
Order
one off
filled.
right here. Actually,
Order
I'm gonna take two
filled.
off right here. How big is this? Like, how big is this area that I'm... Oh, like 60 points? Okay. Alright. Oh, you guys can't see it. Dude, thankfully this candle came back up and gave me another chance to enter into that short. Because I thought it was just going to do it on this candle. Or good thing I didn't enter on this candle. I probably would have gotten stopped out. Maybe not, actually. I probably still would have put my stop up here. Just a worse risk to reward. At least this one is like... I messed it up a little bit by taking partials. Like the risk to reward, technically, but... You know, if I'm gonna be trading chop, like if I'm trading trying to anticipate that we're going to chop, fuck it, dude. I'll just take some off so that it's not like a complete waste of my time. You're in longs. Where's your 870? Where the fuck is 870? Are you still on the other contract? Oh, 870 down here? Damn, you're kind of like a Chad, bro. That's crazy. Well, here, how about this? I hope it comes down to my TP. I just get out of it for basically 60 points and then it continues up for you. If this candle flips bearish, I'm going to trail this even harder. Yo, that's crazy. Where would we put it? You know what? I'll put it right at the open of this thing if it flips. Dude, the volume is fucking terrible right now. Come on, push. All right, I'm locking that in. It could try and snap back or whatever, but we're just gonna get out of it.
Order filled.
All right. What do we make on that? 500 bucks. I'll take it. All right, look, now here's the plan. We're going to go 2 minis. We're going to risk all of the profits on the day in a choppy, low volume environment. We're going to try and make $100,000. Nah, for real though, the volume is pretty dog shit. And there is a chance that we just fuck around in this area and just bounce, basically like come up here, come down, maybe take the lows real quick, but come right back and then just like start chopping right here. So we'll see if the 4-hour does anything, but we have FOMC later today, so the rates are probably going to stay the same, but it'll be interesting to see what he says when they ask him questions, because that's really what's important, is what he says when they ask him questions. And then also something that's interesting as well is that I think it's either this one or the next one is Powell's last meeting where he's going to be the one talking. He's going to be the last one where he's speaking. Then we're going to get some new guy. I forgot what his name is. Forgot what that guy's name is. But that should be interesting. Those first few FOMCs with the new guy talking, answering questions, may be kind of sketchy. So just be careful if you're going to trade that. Alright, but so far today, we're up 1,100 on this account. We're going to pull a payout. We're up 1,500 on this account. See, this is why you don't want that consistency shit. I fucked up with this account, dude. I should have never got the consistency thing. But luckily, I was able to get the balance up to like 5,500 bucks. So I could pull the payout. But, this one, if we really wanted to, we can make whatever we want. I've never had problems with payouts on Top Step, no. They just give it to me. See what gold's doing. A whole lot of nothing. After that huge drop down. Actually, that's pretty large. That's pretty big. So this is the second winning day on this account. I think if I get this up to like a $3,000 balance, I'll probably just take it. So then it'll be 27 plus 15, 43. We'll be back in the green on the month. I'll be able to buy some more evals, full port them, and then hopefully set ourselves up for a good April, and then hopefully I'll make a recovery from this month. Not gonna lie, full transparency, I crashed out this month. Like, I spent like 2K on fucking eval fees, bro. Buying evals, blowing them, activating accounts, blowing them. It's been bad. Like, this is like the worst month that I've had in a long time. So if we can, if I can just literally save it, if I can literally just save it, I'll be fine with it. If I could just like save the month from disaster, I think we should be okay. How many express did you get from 2K? Oh, from the 2K I spent? Well, not all of it was with Top Step. So I spent okay, so check this out. I spent like 2K, right? I got like maybe 5 or 6 Apex accounts. So that's already $100 activation on those ones. Like I passed 5 or 6 of them. $100 activation is instantly like 500-600 bucks gone from that. I got one express in the beginning. I blew it. I got another express up to like 2 grand, and then I blew that one. It was actually eligible for a payout. I just wanted the balance higher. Blew that one. Then I got this one, and then I got this other one. So I would say maybe 4 or 5 express accounts this month. And then obviously, like, to get that, I probably bought like 10 fucking like 9 or 10 fucking accounts. So that's like another band. And then on Lucid, so then check this out. On Lucid this month, I bought account. I probably purchased like 5 of their evals. I passed 3 of them. And then I blew those. Like, I've been getting rinsed, bro. Like, but it's my fault. It's my fault. I've been getting fucking rinsed this month. So that's why I needed this fucking payout so bad. Cause I'm like, bruh, I'm in the dumps right now for this month. I went tilt mode. Full retard. I retard maxed. And it did not work. And then, but the good news is that, alright, well, you know, right now, yeah, we're not looking too hot. We only got 2 funded accounts. I know I had like 5 Apex accounts, like maybe a few days ago. They're gone. So I've just been getting spanked. But I think we can make a comeback, because this payout alone will basically put me back up on the month, but we're not going to call it up on the month. We're just going to basically call it break even, because it'll be 2,700 after they take the fees from it, like 2,500. We'll just call it break even. And then we need this payout. If it's like 1,500, we'll be up like a band. So yeah. Do you work at all anymore, or do you just trade? No, I do stuff. I do other stuff. Now I don't have like a 9 to 5, but I definitely work on other stuff. Do you risk high to build that buffer? Are you talking about on this account? Yeah, on this account I did. I risked more than I would normally. And the reason for that is because I had to get to I had to get to this balance. Now, on this account, no, I don't risk a lot. I'm risking maybe $300 a trade, $300 to $400 a trade. So like, but it'll look like this, right? Like here's this account I'm trading. I mean, we had a day with 869. That's risking like $300 a trade, right? $300 to $400 a trade. Then this day, I went back and forth, and then I went down on the day. Just decided to just stop at a $160 loss before I made it worse. And then there we go, Zao, good stuff. And then today I just got lucky with that pre-market drop. I just got to my computer at the right time. And then this trade that I just took right here, well, I made like 500 on that trade, and I was risking like 300. So yeah, I always use 50Ks. I don't use 100 or 150K. I don't really need them. There's really no point for me to even get them. because the most valuable thing that comes out of bigger accounts is more contract size. And I mean, let's be real. Am I even using 5 minis like that? Not really. Some other accounts though, you want the bigger accounts for the bigger payout caps. But they cost more money. And if I'm gonna sit here and churn evals to try and like be financially positive with expectancy with a system trading prop firms, the best return on investment is going to come from like 50k accounts. Because think about it like this, right? Like we're talking about like return on investment when it, I mean, since we're trading prop firms, really what our risk is what we're paying for accounts. It's not how much it's per trade, you know. I mean, sort of, but it's at the end of the day, it's really just what we're risking when we're buying accounts with our actual money. And then it's called a convex payout structure. So basically what that is like our downside is capped, but the upside is potentially, theoretically, unlimited. So you can take $100, let's say you buy one XFA or one Top Step account and it's $109. You pass it, you get the activation, you chose no activation route. Now you're in $109, but you got this account that you can make money on. Let's say you pull 1 payout, 2 payouts, 3 payouts, whatever it is. I mean, you essentially just turned $109 into whatever you pulled out, right? So what we're trading is just like a very gamified version of trading in general. So let's exploit it. Let's take advantage of it, right? Honestly, to make money with prop firms, you do not need to be a good trader. You can blow a shit ton of accounts and you can still be technically profitable. And you can be trading a strategy that really doesn't have an edge, and you can just make money off of variance, like. But you just have to do that by exploiting like the prop firm business model. Dude, this is bullshit. I hope none of you guys are trading this right now. Nah, don't think about it like that. I don't usually make this much on XFAs. I mean, look at this. My balance is at 2,200 and I made 1,500 of that today. Your 700 on an eval is fine. That's a great day. $15, $26, $2,600. Tulis, if you're having a bad day, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not the price action to try and make your money back. You're better off just waiting for tomorrow. Just whatever it is, even if it's like really bad, whatever your drawdown is right now, do not try and fix it in this, because you're gonna get smoked. There's probably people who are sitting here trading this who are like, oh, it's going down, I'm going short, wrecked. Oh, it's going up, I'm going long, wrecked. Oh, it's going short, wrecked. So like or like if we drop to a lower time frame, like I don't know, people like to trade the 1 minute. Look, this is there's somebody out there in the world that this was their exact thought process. Oh, we're breaking lower. Stop above the high. We're gonna target down here for this drop to continue. Wrecked. Oh, we're breaking higher right here. We're breaking higher. Enter in. Stop below the low. We're gonna retrace this. We're gonna fill the RTH gap. Wrecked. Like, it's nasty, bro. Just don't trade this. It's to be expected though. Like, if we go from a huge imbalance, right, pre-market, well, what do you think we're gonna do? We're probably gonna find balance somewhere. Yeah. Dude, the same shit happened yesterday. See this? Big ass move. At least this open had a push first, and we had a little bit of movement. You know how many people probably blew their accounts trying to trade this yesterday? A lot. A lot of them. But here's the difference, right? This would be considered like a balanced rotation. We have defined highs and defined lows, and if you wanted to trade mean reversion behaviors, you can actually do that pretty well in this type of environment. In this though, oh, wrong day. In this type of stuff though, like, this is like straight up compression. This is compression. You don't want to trade that. Like, look at this. So, yeah, I don't know. If you guys are down right now, just don't try and make your money back. Just, there's always tomorrow, right? Unless you don't have an account. Unless you gotta buy another one. Watch, you probably have all the people, anyone who, the person who probably took this trade and did this is going, ah, they hunted my stop. Oh, we're really doing it this time. Let me go for the breakout. And now I'm gonna have to have a huge fucking stop loss. Or maybe they're already in drawdown, so they don't want to give that much room. So they'll put their stop like right here. They're aiming for this, and you know what? It might work out. But it's just dangerous to try and do this. You know what I mean? You keep trying to guess a breakout of a compression. That's good to know. I mean, on a higher time frame, like, I am expecting us to go lower. Yeah, Ahmed is working. I mean, yeah, I said it. I mean, it could work, but it's just like dangerous to do that. Like, why would you want to risk your money there? And then, like, if you do trade breakouts and that's what you wanted to trade, where are you gonna put your stop for this to actually make sense? Up here? That's a fucking huge stop. Like, when I said that, we were right here probably, and we can come down, sure, but a legitimate stop, like, bro, you'd have to put it like 70 points, 80 points, you know? And most people probably aren't doing that, because if they're trying this for the second time, they're already in drawdown, so they're thinking to themselves like, I can't risk that much, so they're gonna just try and like cheat. They're gonna try and put a stop like right above this candle, and we may or may not come back up. But what I was gonna say though is, like, no stop loss. Yeah, just the account balance. On a higher time frame, I am expecting us to eventually come down here and take these out. Take this low out. Except you got your trend line traders who are going like this right now. Or maybe they'll Look like this. Look at this. I do think like this up here was a level I was watching for us if we were to take these highs, by the way, take this out and have a hard rejection off of this zone that I've had here for the whole week. I'm expecting this to approach down here, like approach these lows. Unless we just start like compressing really hard right here, which would fucking be terrible. Dude, come on. The trending method? No, I'm not underestimating it. I like trend lines. Okay. There's a guy in here in this Discord who trades trend lines and he kills it. But I'm just all right, I take it back. All right. You know what? We could bounce right here. We're at the trend line. Yeah, no, I get it. Are we buying? I don't know. It's looking pretty weak. We may be coming down to 600 on QQQ. Which is like down here. Yo, Crown, what do you think about the Tory trades trend lines? She's probably not a real trader. Are you sure you don't want to pay $1,000 for her pre-recorded course? We can learn all about trend lines. We should all pitch on it. I think that's what's stopping us from being consistently profitable. I think if I just fucking learn the Tory trades trend line method, that I'm just my life is gonna change. Nah, we're not gonna do that. Who knows, dude? I don't want to be a hater. I don't want to be a hater. Innocent until proven guilty. You know? We'll wait for Iman Trading to drop some shit. The Sherlock Holmes of the trading industry. I'm gonna try and take a short right here.
Order filled.
But I'm gonna have a really tight stop loss. Like literally just we'll put it dead ass at the top of this 5-minute candle. And if we start breaking lower past the previous 5 minute, I'm just gonna move it to break even. Ooh, wasn't there yet. Ooh, nasty. Come on, just go past it. Technically, I think it did go past it. Whatever. Worst case scenario, we'll just end the day up like. We'll end the day up like 1300. What's the 15 look like? All right, we'll wait for the 15 to flip bearish, and then we'll go break even. Unless we're gonna just come back up here, not break lower. We take a $230 L. Bro, what the fuck, dude? Ooh. I got close. All right, I'm going break even. I don't want it to snap back like after it takes the low of this. It's gonna push, just go.
Order filled.
All right. Volumes below 20,000. We're just gonna stop. So we're up 1,500 on this account. I'm gonna take a payout on this account today. It's up 1,100 bucks. Tomorrow this balance will be at 2,700. And then we're gonna be focusing on this account to get it. Well, actually, because this is the second day on this account, I think if I take a payout, I can have, this is the consistency one, so maybe I can get 3 days of like 200 bucks. The balance will be at 3,000, and then we can take 1,500 on this one, and maybe 1,500 on this one at the same time. I don't know, we'll figure it out. All right, well, I'm gonna get off. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.